Welcome back. Good news, everyone. I just located the keyless remote receiver, which is, it wasn't really over here. It was in the rear of the bumper. So here is the rear of the bumper. By the way, this is 2018 GMC Yukon. Okay, very key. So you can see this is the one. This is the brand new one. This is the one. It's over here. All I gotta do is unclip it now, get it installed. I'm gonna lubricate all the connections with don't forget about this dielectric grease. This is very, very important. Without this, you may have to replace the sensor in next 2 years. Okay, be generous with this. Don't be cheap. It's very, this is very inexpensive. You can get it from any automotive store with parts, and I picked it up from Canadian Tire here in Ontario, Canada. Anyway, so you might as well lubricate this sensor. By the way, this is a sensor for the cars approaching the rear of your vehicle. There is one on the left, there's one on the right. Lubricate all of them, okay? Since you remove the bumper, re-grease all those connections. Every single one. Like remove those thingies and all right, every single one. Remove this. So this is very easy to remove. You just pull on the red one, use the screwdriver on the other side, pop it, and it's gonna come off. Okay? Because if one of those things gives you a hard time, the whole system gets screwed, because everything is wired together, and you may lose your lights in the gauge, the main console. You may lose a bunch of accessories such as wipers, maybe lights. You may not be even able to start the car because everything is wired together to one source. Okay, so lubricate everything since you're here. Okay, I will see you guys later once I complete this job.